Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to properly close your Chevy Malibu's hood. First, always make sure your engine bay is completely clear of any tools or items you might have been using. Double-check that all fluid caps, like for oil or coolant, are tightly secured. If your Malibu uses a prop rod, carefully unhook it from the hood and firmly secure it back into its clip to prevent any damage when closing. Now, gently lower the hood of your Malibu. Bring it down until it's approximately 1 foot or about 30 centimeters above the main latch mechanism. It's important to hold the hood from the front edge, ensuring you have a good grip. Remember, do not try to push the hood down from this height. This can cause dents or damage to the hood surface. This is the most effective way to close your Malibu's hood. From that height of about 6 to 12 inches or 15 to 30 centimeters, simply release your hands. Let the hood drop freely. The weight of the hood, combined with gravity, will provide enough force for the primary latch to engage properly. You should hear a clear, satisfying click as it latches. After the hood has dropped and you've heard the latch engage, perform a quick security check. Gently try to lift the front edge of the hood. It should feel firmly secured with no upward movement. If the hood lifts even slightly, it means the latch did not fully engage. In that case, simply reopen the hood and repeat the entire closing process to ensure it is safely secured before driving.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.